Hi guys, welcome back. So this is the May 24 Glimmer Cut Spellbinders kit that I get each month. And so if I just start, I've repackaged these into how I store them. So I thought I'll start with the Glimmer and show you the Glimmer one. So in this kit I got the Fuchsia Flower. Now some of these are varied, so you may not get the same colours, but Fuchsia Flower, which is like this beautiful purpley, I'm obsessed kind of colour, which is beautiful. And then this is the Glimmer of the month. If I just check what it's called, it is called Tropical Bloom, and it is a huge flower and two sentiments that each have their own dies to die cut out, and this is the sort of thing you could make with it. It is a massive flower. So and the sentiments read thinking of you and sending best wishes. So you can make these into cards for you know, just thinking of you cards, or even birthday cards, that kind of thing. So that's the Glimmer part of it. Then the small die of the month is called Tropical Friends. I love this set. So there are a variety, there's two little birds in here, there's a toucan and a parrot, and then there's some foliage and leaves and things. But this is basically what they will create, which I think is so cute. So I'm kind of obsessed with them. I think they're really adorable. So this would be fun for, I think, any age, kids especially, but anybody. I mean, I'm obsessed with them, so, and I ain't no kid anymore. And then the large die of the month is also, let's just see what it's called. It's also got some cute critters. This one is the Grand Tropical Flamingos, and I need to trim that a bit more, but anyway, and you have two flamingos in here. They face each other, so you could make this for Valentine's Day, you could make this for anniversaries. I'm thinking, you know, the necks could entwine. I can't do that on camera probably. They could entwine, and it could be like that cute little thing that like swans do. I know flamingos probably don't do that, but swans do that, so I was just thinking that way. You could, if you cut them out in white, possibly make them look swan-like if you don't put the legs on. I don't know. And then you get lots of cool like foliage, jungly kind of foliage. So this is the sort of idea, is that you could have them like so, which I think is beautiful. So I will be back. Like I say, I'm behind with everything as usual, but I'll be back and I will create some stuff with these, and I'll see you then. Thanks for stopping by. Until next time, bye for now.